Foot up. Foot fact. Hello Junior Chefs, welcome to Junior's Kitchen. Today we are in the Middle East. We make Shakshukah! Food fact, Shakshukah is mixed up. Subscribe for more Junior's Kitchen. We need tomatoes, eggs, peppers, onion, garlic, sweet paprika, coriander, cumin, parsley, olive oil, salt and pepper. Mise en place. Prepare the vegetables. Ta-da! Grind the coriander. Mise en place is ready. Let's start the cooking. Heat up the oil. Vegetables in the pan. Cook for 5 minutes. Tomatoes go in. Now the spices. Eggs in. Season with salt and pepper. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. Garnish with parsley. Shakshukah is ready. Let's serve. Goodbye. See you next time.